No, leave it.
Leave it. Here, look. Get it. Here.
Look,
here. What's that? There we go. Yay! Oh, what's that, Max? A brand new toy.
Good job.
You take it out of the package. Come on. Rip it out.
Poor Lily.
Come on, you can do it. Like, no, just seriously, give me my ball.
Aww.
And again, another Christmas song I know you're going to love. Would you
He almost got it.
Wait though.
Help him out, Emmy.
Here, baby.
No, it's
You
mine.
hey.
It's mine.
Here.
Good boy.
Good job. Oh, that's a yummy ball.